lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just the perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break.
Siya pala yun. Oo nga.
I'm really annoyed my camera died halfway through that because that was such a good class and it just felt so good on the back, on the hamstrings. I was like, this is a requirement.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope y'all brought your OJ, your fucking milk, and most importantly, I hope you brought your butter toast, cause we got the jam.
Yeah, I said, oh mamma mia, I need another quarter pizza from the pizzeria. Or maybe gasoline to feed in the feeling of feeling needed. Cause no amount of the pussy will ever be enough. Yeah, I don't give a fuck either. I admit it, I'm a little bit weirder, but every time I'm tripping, I'm missing another minute. So what the fuck I gotta do to keep with it? A twist, no, don't trip, guess I need another hit. Oh, good shit, think it's all up in the past and I slip, so what I gotta do? Why my mind up in a twist, no, don't trip, guess I need another hit. Oh, good shit, think it's all up in the past and I slip, so what I gotta do? My body filled with Takati, her booty pat like my sentence. I'm guessing I might be destined to make a mess of this stress, and I think I'm thinking too much. I think
It's made with real fruit. That's why it tasted so weird. I just love it.
So cute.
An ad for organic lemon popcorn.
Teddy, you can have one.
Awful can opener.
And it's so good.
You make really good vegan food.
Yeah. No, but mom's always been like a good cook. Thank you. Yeah. Crack her open.
Wow, slimy.
Oh, they're so good.
Olive. I have to hold because there's something in there. Red meat.
So right? That's very well. Me, it was right across the street, right? So.
Reasons why I love leftovers.
This slaps. This is so messy. So good. So good. The shit. Sore spot. J Park is sex. Oh, he can have me. From here, I got.
And it's also the olive.
I'm like, oh, this is a look. What is this?
Charcuterie board. It's a beautiful, beautiful bread.
You know what I would love to get one of those?
What would you love to get?
A leg tattoo.
A leg tattoo of a pita bread and some artichoke dip? This is crazy. Whoa, your burger looks so good. Burger's as beautiful as you. There is so much bread on this table.
You're like, yo.
You think I was a beached whale before? I'm a beached whale now.